Hey there, Walter here. I made a purchase just recently. I gotta show it to everybody because I'm excited about it. I'm hoping you're gonna be too. It's a model. It's a box. Which one is it? How about that? Yeah. This is the newest kit that they've come out with. It's been a couple years now actually, but it's new for me because it's new packaging. I haven't opened it up yet. I was gonna show it to everybody, so let's take a look at it, shall we? Open this up. Once I learn how to put a knife down and use two hands, get all this plastic off. Now, I've built a few of these kits before, but nothing with the new packaging here, and I guess it's even better. They modified a few things, make it more accessible, more unique for the modeler. So let's open this and see what we got. Okay, yeah, from the distance you didn't get to see too much detail with the box itself. And in case you're wondering what this is the 1/25th scale Knight 2000 from Knight Rider. New artwork on the package. That's a new thing right here, new decals. So that's what that looks like. Looking at this right here, these are your, okay, once I look at it the right way, these are your wheels and all your chrome parts. Followed by tires. What car cannot go without tires? Now this is a new thing. They have all your window pieces in black tint or in clear. Ta-da! Exactly. Ta-da! Your main body, which in this bag is the body itself and the interior compartment for the passenger compartment actually, and the underside. All your black components in here, regular modeling components that you can paint and whatever else. More of the same thing. And with this kit, they have different ways to customize your model, such as a different hood, different rear spoiler, all that kinds of stuff. This is the decals, which I'm not going to open yet. And then at the bottom, your instructions. And I guess, looking at this here, let's go to the dashboard. I always like the dashboard on this car. And we look at the dashboard right here, and they have all these little symbols. That's for your decals to go in place. So, that's normally a nice thing, except I'll show you with the dashboard on here, which I don't think I'm going to use the decals on it. Okay, bag is open. Here's your parts with the dashboard on it. Here's one of your seats, obviously. The dashboard itself. This is called a switch pod. And that's actually the back of it. On the front of the switch pod, you see all these little buttons here for whenever something needs to be pushed, such as turbo boost. There's your front spoiler and your back bumper. Actually, I'm wrong, that's your front bumper, not spoiler. And this little section right here, that's where KITT's scanner is at. But I wanted to show you the dashboard. And here's your dashboard. It is engraved. So you can use the decals if you want to, but I'm not going to. I am going to paint this. But I've also thought about trying out a way to making this into a clear part. so I can put LEDs in and light this up. I've heard people use fiber optics, but I don't think I'm going to go that route. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and mold this piece out in clear plastic somehow, if I can figure it out, and then I'll try it out. Okay, main body is opened up here out of the bag. Pull these apart. Difficult to do with one hand, but obviously that's your bottom part, and then your main body itself. The front bumper I was telling you about fits right here in the front, obviously, and there are these grooves. That's for all the separations for KITT's scanner, such as what they show on the box itself. Interior pan assembly is normal, but they actually put all the stuff in for all of KITT's circuitry. Okay, just a quick run through of this new kit that I bought. I'm looking forward to building this. I'm thinking also I might do a little customization in a way. I've read it somewhere before in a book where I can open the doors up and actually have the hinged doors. Most of the model kits you see, doors are part of the actual mold for the body, so they just stay in place. They're really static. You can't open them up at all unless you get the larger kits that I've bought recently, and I showed that one before about the Pontiac Firebird. But I'm thinking about trying it with this one here, seeing if I can get it to work. I'm not sure yet. I've never tried it before, so something new to try. So anyway, this is what I thought I'd show off here. Good kit, worked on it before. So anyway, I'm really happy with this purchase here. Like I said, I thought I'd show it off, and I'm showing it off. So that's what I've got to show everybody here. So I'm going to get to work on some of these projects here because they're starting to pile up and I need a lot of time to work on. So I'm going to stop with the video and I'm going to get to work on some of these projects. So now I got to advise you about it. It's time to go ahead, jump on down to the comments and everything below. Leave a comment or a question. Make sure they're rated E for everybody. Hey, it's a video. Like the video. I've got a channel here. Subscribe to the channel. And until I see you next time, I'm going to say 7-3.